What's up everyone, and welcome again to our video tutorials, and today we're going to talk about fixing package javafx application does not exist error when running the first javafx program in IntellijIdea. So before that, intro muna tayo. As a bit of background, I was trying to do our school activity in our subject in our school, and I encountered errors while running the first program, the first default program given by IntellijIdea while doing a JavaFX program. So, and whenever I encounter problems like this, I research and then I'd like to share it to you because it doesn't usually happen. Well, if it's a question, it should be answered. So for you guys, as for future reference, I'd like to share this video with you. So follow the steps, and maybe we can fix your problem. The JetBrains website, and just click on the download button, and the community edition. After downloading, just double click on the installer. Tap on the yes one. Next. Uninstall the older one. Next. Uninstall the cache files. I hope nothing fails when you run it. Close. Community edition. And then after clicking on this one, just click on next. Install. And then we wait for it. Next one, click on continue. Wow, it's a nice, whatever you call that thing.
Sa'yo aking mahal,
Cool.
mga letrang naglimbag sa ating nakaraan. Nais kong iparating na minahal talaga kita mula nung
Try to create a new
umpisa.
project.
Huling beses na kitang iiyakan,
Click on the JavaFX.
tinaliling mong muli sa ating nakaraan. Pero dapat mong malaman, hindi pa ako handang maging mag-isa.
And our next
Dito na lang, mahal. Paalam na, mahal. Dito.
And as for the dependencies, just leave that unchecked and just click on next. Voila, got it. Next, oh, next step, next step. Okay, okay, okay. I'll just close it for a moment. Just taking some time to scan the indexed files. Wow, and download it. So, let's go to project and then source java.com com and example and then demo. So this is the application and this is the controller. Just close this one. Then under resources we have fxml. Okay, looks good. So let's try to run and build. Build. Oh, what the run build project. Wait a moment. So let's try to run. Let's try to run. Oh shit. Yeah. So it's here. Run application. Hello to. And it says hello. Welcome to Java FX application. So that's the first activity of our Java class and it's all working. I mean JavaFX tutorial and the solution that I've come to, I updated my IntellijIdea idea from version 2020 to the version 2021.2 and there were no problems encountered as I encountered in the previous version of IntellijIdea idea. So if you have this problem, this is the only solution that I can share you and I hope you can start with your projects and I hope I help you today. Alright guys, so that's how to fix the um, package error with your Java FX application if it says it does not exist in your program. And before I end this video, I'd like to invite everyone to subscribe to my channel or like this video and share it to your friends who might need it. And of course, for me to be able to do more videos in the future. And if you like what's in my shirt, if you think the design in or the statement in my shirt applies to you and you want to have one, just follow me here or visit this page here if you're from the Philippines, or this link if you're from anywhere else around the world. Or just browse on the description below and click on the proper link. So thank you again guys. See you in the next tutorial.